With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. In this question, we have a vessel is in the form of an inverted cone. Its height is 11 centimeter and radius of its top, which is open, is 2.5 centimeter. It is filled with water up to the rim. When lead sorts, each of which is sphere of radius 0.25 centimeter, are dropped into the vessel, 2/5 of the water flows out. Find the number of lead sort dropped into the vessel. So we have a vessel which is shape of inverted cone. So first we will draw a diagram of inverted cone. The inverted cone will be like this structure, and this is rim of this inverted cone. So it is filled with water having height is equal to 11 centimeters. So you can mention its height equal to 11 centimeter and radius is equal to 2.5 centimeter. So when lead sort, so lead sort is shape of sphere. So we will throw the lead sort 2/5 part of water. 2/5 part of water flows out from this vessel. So we have to find the number of lead sort drop into the vessel. So the number of lead sort into volume of one lead sort, that will be equal to remaining volume of the water in the cone. So you can write here the given value, that is radius of cone equal to 2.5 centimeter, height of cone is equal to 11 centimeter, and radius of sphere, which is lead sort, is 0.25 centimeter. And we know that formula of volume of cone and volume of sphere. So you can write here volume of cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h, where r is radius and h is its height, and volume of sphere is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. So you can write here when lead sort drawn into vessel, the volume of remaining water equal to 1 minus 2/5 into volume of vessel, and you can write here let the number of lead sort be n, then n into volume of one lead sort, which is equal to 1 minus 2/5 equal to 3/5. So this is equal to 3/5 into volume of vessel. So we'll use formula here. So n into 4/3 pi r cube, and radius is 0.25 centimeters. So 0.25 cube is equal to 3/5 into 1/3 into pi r square h. So pi into r is 2.5, so 2.5 square into h is 11. So here 3 got cancelled, pi got cancelled, and now we will cross multiply the values. So value of n is equal to, and write here 3 into 2.5 into 2.5 into 11 upon 4 into 0.25 into 0.25 into 0.25. So we will divide here 2.5 by 0.25, so it will become 10. Similarly, this value will be also written as 10, and this is 4. So you can mention here the value of 4 very clearly. So 4 into 0.25 is equal to 1. So you can write this value is equal to 3 into 10 into 10 into 11 upon 1. So 10 into 10 is 100 and 3 into 11 is 33. So 33 into 100 is equal to 3300. So number of lead shot is 3300. So you can write the final answer for question. Hence, the number of required lead shot is 3300. I hope the solution was clear. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.